Hi everyone, this is Rashid Joma. Today I'll show you how to use Linux as a gateway and to configure this gateway for Windows 11 client. We will also set up the firewall built-in IP tables in Linux and will use and set up Snort. We'll use it as intrusion detection and intrusion prevention. So let's see our agenda. We'll speak about network topology, environment setup, how to configure IPs, how to set up gateway, IP tables, snort IDS, IPS, and we'll see a real demo why HTTPS is more secure, especially to stop or to reduce man in the middle attack. Okay. So here our network topology, we have uh, internet, and we have two servers. First one is Linux. Okay, this is Linux gateway uh, and Windows uh, 11. Okay, we have Linux and Windows are using the same network, and internet is using another subnet, okay, to connect. So server has two interfaces, okay. So here's the environment setup. I'll show you here. Here I have this it is Windows 11, okay, and here is the uh, Linux. First thing, we have to make sure we have in preferences, we should add two networks, okay, NAT networks, okay, and here also we should configure this one. So let's open setting, and here I will select NAT, and here in advanced I will click this, and I will allow this promise and do the same here, but this time I will select the second NAT. Okay, it will be NAT1 again and again. Let's click OK. Let's start it till it open. Let's see the Windows. Okay, here is the Windows VM. I will go for network connections, and I will start setup. Okay, so it is like that. Here just yes, let's back to Windows. I will set up the static IP. I will use 4 IP4. As we said, it will be 10 0. This will be 2, and this we will give it like 10. Okay, 250 we make it 24, so we should make it like that. And here I will use the gateway, which will be this one. It is the IP of the Linux. We'll set up it right now with each other, and here it will be 2 as well, and I will make this one 30. In DNS we can use it, or we can make it the default by Google. Okay, okay, and close. If I try right now, let's go for my website. There is no internet. Cool. Let's go for Linux. Yep, here we go. Okay, so I will set up right now the, if we wanted to see, let's first see what is the built-in or the automatic IPs. So it will be terminal in ifconfig. Okay, so we have this one, it is 2.9 and we wanted to make it to 10. Okay, and by the way, in Windows we are using ipconfig. So actually I don't know why we make someone ifconfig and ipconfig. It is so here's the static IP we set up, and here's the gateway 30. Okay, no, ask me later. Let's now set up this one. Okay, here in IB, I want it manual. I'll make it like this 10.0.2.30. Subnet will be 0, apply, and let's make it like that. And let's clear and ifconfig again. Here we go. It is like now it is 30. So if I come here and ping 2.30, I can ping it in the same way 10.0.2.10, the same. I can ping it. Okay, but I cannot access, for example, the internet. It is not working right now. So uh, let's back to our demo. Here we already saw how to set up the network, and we already configured the static IP. Okay, so here we'll test the connection. So let's make it sudo id. After that, I already write it the command here. If I click, we can see right now, look, it is 10 IP10 trying to connect for this IPs. If we try, for example, let's go here and open this one. Yep. So if I come here, okay, and if I click here, italic, okay, I can see italic is coming here. Yes, here. So the connection is working. We just need to enable the forward. So to enable the folder for forward, okay, we finished already this one. Yes. So let's set up a gateway and enable the forward. So I write the command. Let's click forward. So let's go now to test the window. Okay. So it's still not working. So that means we need to configure the IP table. Okay. So I will write, let's click enter. Okay. So Yep, I will make it like that and click enter. Okay, what's going on? Oh, there is no two. Yes. So let's now go for Windows and test the internet. Perfect. So internet now is working, and we enable by the IP table. So here some configuration. For example, if I want to clear IP table, I should flush it. After that, clear it dash f dash x. Also, it is uh, recommended to use the default policy blacklist. So blacklist means I will disable everything except this list. Okay. So here is like blacklist. If we wanted to create the whitelist, it's just the same everything except input. It will be input accept. It will be drop 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 here. Okay. So now let's install Snort, and as we said, Snort is IDS and IPS. So I will go for Linux here. I will install it. apt install Snort. Okay, we cannot see what is going on here. Yep. Okay, I will configure it. Okay, what is the name of the interface? We said before we can get the name of interface multiple ways, but the easiest one fconfig enp0s3. So if I yep, and I will click enter, and here is the range. We said it will be 10.0.2.0 because we have to put the full range for the network, not specific IP. 24, and click OK. 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 We want to listen on this one. We'll back after finish. It's already finished now. So now we have Snort installed. So the default configuration here for Snort is this one. Let's ls etc Snort. Yep. And here we can see uh, this configuration or the default folder for this. So we need to make some modification for this for the demo purpose. I want only to disable all the rules except the local one and uh, run. So we will click like that. etc snort. Okay, snort config, and here we can see. So set numbers, I can see I want to go for this one, I believe. Let's jump for this. Yep, here this is the one. Okay, so here all this a lot of rules here. Some hash means it's commented. If it is not commented, it will be without hash. So I want to comment all. So I want to comment from this one. Let's say one. Okay, 577 till okay 577 till this one. This is to replace both here hash like that and click enter. Here we go. Very good. So now we comment everything here. Yes, except the local rules. Let's save and exit. So now let's go for the local rules. It will be like that. Rules here, local rules, enter, in, insert. Okay, I will write it and back to you, and this is the rule. So here we write alert TCP any source IP. I will make it any for demo purpose, and the port is any. Goes to destination. Destination will be the same any. I can make it here. I can make it 80, for example, if I want HTTP, whatever. But I will make it any, and here I will make it content. I want to filter YouTube. Okay, and the message, this message, alert YouTube title. This ID here is any number. It should be unique, so we will use it for logging or auditing purpose. So we know this related to that, and this for versioning. So we will make it, give it like number one, and let's save and close. Okay, so now I wanted to test my rule, so it will be snort the name of the interface in O0S3 and the configuration. This is the configuration. Copy paste it here, and A for console. It is useless here because I want just to test the configuration, but it is fine because I will use it after a while. So it say snort successfully validates the configuration. So now if I want to run it, I will make it like that, and all I do, I will remove T and click it like that, and yeah, yes. So now we have both screens, both VMs on the same screen. It will be easier. So now if I write here YouTube, oh look, Once I write it, it captured. And here is the alert, YouTube by ITIL. So this happens actually if I go, for example, in this one, if I click here, if I go again, let's search for YouTube again. Yes, if I refresh or make anything, because it will go inside the content of the message and get the YouTube. Okay, but if we are using HTTPS, and here is it the main important of HTTPS to prevent or stop or increase the rate of man in the middle, because here now he can very easily uh, intercept my content and my traffic and get exactly what I am doing. But if I use the same URL here, look, this one italic is not secure. But if I use here this one, HTTPS, okay, and let's to be easy for us, and I will come here and I will write YouTube. Look, nothing happened. It can't detect it, okay? But if I come here, if I write it here, look, it detected. So I hope it is this clear for all of us. Okay. So thank you for watching. If you have any question related to snort, IP tables, configuration, anything related to this demo, please ask me. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.